Hi guys! In today's video, you will learn how to create affiliate account on Amazon in mobile. So let's start. First, go to Google and then search for amazon.com. And then go ahead and sign in. Just click on the profile icon at the top. After signing in, what you're going to do is to click the three dots at the right top corner of the screen. And then select Desktop Site. And then after that, you will see at the top Amazon Associates. Now click on any product. And then go back to the top and then tap on Get Link. And then you can see right here the link. You can copy the generated link and then paste it to your website. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.